it as our fearless honey hunter again. Today, he is back in the forest for another wild honey hunting adventure. But here is the big question. How many beehives do you think he'll harvest today? 1 hive, 2 hives, or maybe even more? Keep watching until the end to find out how much honey he manages to bring back today.
หัวน้ำบาดโอ้โหติดตางามๆครับ
Oh, today we meet this familiar daredevil again. But wait, this time, it doesn't feel like a simple honey harvesting job anymore. Just looking at that massive hive is enough to realize, this is an extremely dangerous mission. No more waiting. Let's continue the honey harvesting journey with me. Go! Wait a second, you thought that was it? Wrong, this is just the beginning. The moment the blade touches the hive, you can feel the tension rising second by second. The beekeeper keeps slicing massive honeycomb sections straight off the tree, high above the ground, where even a slight mistake could turn into a serious disaster. But what's truly terrifying is, the bees are still everywhere, as if nothing has been disturbed at all. They aren't just flying around randomly. They are swarming, circling, and diving in waves, as if defending their territory with everything they have. At this point, it doesn't feel like a normal honey harvest anymore. It feels like you just walked into a massive bee apartment complex, where thousands of angry residents are fully alert, and he stands right in the middle announcing, "I'm here to collect everything today." And obviously, the residents are not happy. One wrong move, and hundreds of stings can hit within seconds. Bees are filling the entire frame, forming a living, moving wall of danger, while the beekeeper somehow stays unbelievably calm. One hand cutting through the comb, one hand balancing on a shaking branch, eyes constantly scanning every direction, never letting his guard down. And his heartbeat? Probably going full emergency mode. But here's the real shock. Right finger, those honeycomb pieces are still completely filled with honey. Even as they are cut, shaken, and surrounded by aggressive bees, golden honey keeps pouring out, as if this hive has no end at all. Every time you think it's over, another deeper, thicker, and more dangerous layer appears. Cut more, get more, but the danger keeps rising. And the big question is, right finger, just how much honey is hidden inside this massive hive? And more importantly, right finger, can he actually make it out safely while surrounded by an entire bee army, ready to strike at any moment? If you think this is already intense, just wait for the next part. Things are about to get even crazier. And we're witnessing an incredibly daring honey harvest deep in the forest. This massive honeycomb was built on a tree branch, with hundreds of bees fiercely protecting their precious honey. The beekeeper carefully climbs the tree and approaches the hive. Piece by piece, the honeycomb is removed slowly and carefully to avoid damaging the colony. Looking at the layers of wax and honey inside, you can see just how much time and effort the bees have put into building this incredible hive. The most difficult part is maintaining balance on the tree branch while working with the hive and dealing with bees flying all around. Eventually, the honey-filled combs are carefully collected into the bucket below. This is truly a job that requires experience, patience, and a lot of courage. A dangerous honey harvest in the middle of the forest, but also an absolutely incredible sight.
น้ำหวานอย่างงามครับใครสนใจน้ำผึ้งก็ทักมาได้นะครับรังใหญ่ไม่ใช่น้อยครับไอ้โหใหญ่จริงครับรังนี้หัวน้ำหวานน่าจะใหญ่ครับ านกันนะครับสอนพอมีอยู่ครับทางนี้ไม่ค่อยสูงเท่าไหร่นะครับสองก้อนนะครับทางนี้ก้อนเดียวหมดมูลแน่นอนครับเพราะผมไม่ออกให้หมดครับทำให้ออกไปบ้างเยอะโอ้โหมีดโตขึ้นอ่ะฮะมีดโตขึ้นตามเป็นมีดนี่ตรงไหนเห็นละอากาศร้อนขนาดครับถอนหมดไปแล้วก้อนเดียวไม่หมดนะครับต้องปรับต่อหยอดคนเจียวให้ด้วยใหญ่จริงเอาน้ำพึ่งไปก่อนหนักจริงตัวนี้คนน้ำพึ่งนี้คนมาครับ
But are you curious? How many dollars can this fearless honey hunter actually make in a single day from harvesting wild honey? The real number might surprise you. In the next video, I'll reveal exactly how much he can earn each day from this incredible job. And if you want to find out how much that is, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one.